we are here at one of our most favorite restaurants, Panda Express. This one here is a shop at a shopping center in San Diego, California. Panda Express is famous for the invention of orange chicken. This is deep-fried chicken, with orange flavor. Panda Express shops are usually rated A class for the cleanliness. And here we got the most popular dish Panda Express is known for. We ordered a panda bowl with orange chicken as a main dish, and 2 sides with fried rice and mixed veggie. The second panda bowl we got is grilled teriyaki chicken, also with fried rice and mixed veggie. Here is the receipt with our order. We paid $6.70 per meal, which is a pretty good and fair price for what you get. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.